Okay, children, listen here, children. Look at here, children. This is a very interesting exercise, as well as this is a little more tough. So listen carefully, look at the pictures carefully, and pronounce it correctly. Then you can easily write it. Okay, let's go for an exercise. See here, read the words in the box. Read the words in the box. We have to read the words in the box. If the word has G sound, if the word has G sound, as in the gate, okay, they are telling if you pronounce gate, the same sound should be in the boxes. Then write the next to the gate. Okay, we have to write the words here one by one. Okay, they are telling, listen children, one more time I am telling children, if in the given word, if the word has a G sound as like a gate, we have to pick up the word and write it on this dash. Okay, children. Okay, if you are not understand, let it be. I will make you understand betterly by doing this exercise. Okay, listen, what is this? This is a gate. Just pronounce it correctly. Gate. Okay, just pronounce it correctly. Gate. The sound you are getting, the gate. Okay, now you have to read the each and every word in the given box. Just listen. This is a glass. This is a gum. Game. This is a gate. Game. Yes, you are getting the same sound as a gate. Look at here. This is a page. So not at all getting, because at starting this gay. This is a pa. No. Gym. Yes, you are getting a gate. Gym. Okay, this is a cage. Gas. This is a gel. This is a golf. Now golf will not come because the F sound. Okay, we have to find out this 3 letter. Just read one more time. Glass, gate, glass, gay. Yes, glass. Gum, gate, gum. Yes, gum. Gel, gate, no, gas. Yes, gas. Okay, children, we are hearing the gate sound in game, gym, glass, gum and gas. Okay, let's move to the next exercise. Okay, children, let's go to the next exercise. It's really very easy and it's really very interesting too, children. We are going to circle the words that are spelled correctly. Listen, children, in the every rectangular box they have given a 3 set of word, okay, which has a correct spelling. We have to find out the correct spelling. The first set of word is kiss. Long is kiss. If you are here, kiss. No, this is a correct. Okay, let's try this one. Keys, not a keys, it's a kiss. You have to circle it like this. Okay, let's move to this. This is a chess. This is a chess. No. This is a chess. No. This is a chess. A long yes sound is coming. No, we have to circle it. Okay, this is a spill. This is a one element, then it will be pronounce it short as spill. Spool, not it's a pool, it's a pool. It's not spool. It's a spill, it's a correct one. Okay, next, try for the next one. Hissed, not hissed. Hiss. Okay, next, this is a press. This is a press. This is a press. Very good. Okay, next move to this one. Hill. Long L sound. Hill. Yes, this is a hill. This is a hill. This is a hill. Long L sound should be come. You have to circle it. Okay, this is a frill. In frogs, they will have a frill. No, that is a frill. Frill. Long L sound. Frill. So, long L sound means there should be a 2L, isn't it? So, we have to put a circle here. Next one, this is a smell. Here also, you are getting the L. L longer sound. Smell. You are not getting a E longer sound. Not a smell. Not. Smell. You are getting the L longer sound. Then it will be a, this one will be a correct one. S-M-E-L-L. Smell. This is a L. L. Not L or L. This is a L. L. Long L sound. Next, this is a cross. Cross. This is a cross. This is a criss. This is a cross. You are getting the S sound longer. So, we have to circle like here. Okay, children, did you understand? Let's go for one more time. Kiss, long S sound. Chess, long S sound. Spill, long L sound. Hiss, long S sound. Press, this is a long S sound. Hill, long L sound. Frill, long L sound. Smell, long L sound. L, long L sound. Cross, long S sound. If you get something sound is longer, then the same will come along with them. Okay, the same will, if the same word will be come together, then it will be sounds like longer. Okay, one more time I am telling, listen carefully. If the same word come here, like for example SS, okay, if the same word come here, then it will be sounds like longer. Everything having a same word, so everything we have to be pronounce it like longer. Okay, do you understand, children? Let's go for a next exercise. Okay, children, let's go for a next exercise. Complete each word with the correct ending letters. Okay, we have to find out the each picture and we have to write the remaining letters. For example, listen, children, this is a bell. Bell. You are getting the longer sound of L. So, we have to put double L. Bell. This is a dress. Dress. Okay. You are getting the S sound longer, isn't it? Dress. Dress. Okay. She is yelling. Yell. Yelling means shouting loudly. Yell. Yell. You are getting the L sound long. You have to put double L. Okay, children. Okay, this is a, they are playing a chess. Chess. Not chess, this is a chess. You are getting the S sound longer, we have to put a S here. Chess. Okay, now here, just see it here. She is a spilling. Spill. Spill. You are getting the L sound. Okay, this is a cross. Cross. You are hearing any S sound? Yes. This is a S is short or long sound? Long. We have to put double yes here. Okay, what he is doing? He is tossing the coin, isn't it? Toss. Toss. Yes, yes, yes sound, but it's longer, so we have to put a double yes. Okay, listen here. Your children is kissing her mother. Kiss. Kiss. Yes, you're hearing a yes sound longer. Listen, children, I'm revising one more time. Listen carefully. This is a bell, bell. Dress, dress. Yell, yell. Chess, chess. Spill, spill. Cross, cross. Toss, toss. Kiss, kiss. In this exercise, we have learnt the longer pronunciation, isn't it? If listen, children, I am telling, if the same word comes together, we have to pronounce it longer. Okay, children, let's go to the next exercise.